Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and this is the latest edition of Simply Crochet. I'm just going to get into this envelope, which I have to keep this side it's hard to get into. Anyway, a lot of sticky. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and hopefully you'll be informed when new videos pop up. So we've got some gifts in this one. That's it, empty. So I'm sorry if I'm causing a little shadow in on the table. It's just that the sun is really, really strong coming through the kitchen door. And because the conservatory has a kind of a clear roof, so it's just coming straight through, and it's causing so much bounce back that if I don't sit this way round, I don't think you're going to see it. So hopefully it's not too much shadow anyway. So we've got Learn the Triangle Stitch up there as well on the very top. That's this bit. A strawberry what? Oh, thief, because it's stolen one. And a sloth, which is very boxy, a very boxy sloth. It's spooky season, 3 fun Halloween makes. Okay. The ultimate granny blanket. We have this kind of cardigan with ties. I dread to think what they've called it. It probably won't be cardigan. Might be. Never know. We've got a stylish bag, an autumn cowl, a comfy cardigan, an easy scarf, and much more. And the William Morris collection. Patterns in sizes up to 5XL. Wowza. Okay. So, bear with my phone. It's dinging away because I actually am expecting to a text, really, or a message. Okay, so we do have a free gift, and here it is. Super cute puppy kit. Take me home. Contains the yarn, eyes, and nose to crochet this little pup, but not the stuffing. They used to put stuff in their kits, but they don't anymore. So they don't contain that, but we've got everything else: yarn, eyes, nose, and maybe not even a crochet hook then, which they're never very good anyway, are they? Let's face it, those freebie ones, sometimes they're just plasticky and not very nice. That's going to get annoying, isn't it? I'm going to take the ding off because I seem to have a lot coming through and it's not the one I want. Anyway, let's get into the magazine. Ooh. I think we got, I want to say Dracula, but it doesn't have any teeth. Maybe it's a gummy Dracula, perhaps. Maybe it's not Dracula. I'm not very good at identifying things. It kind of looks like Count Dracula. I want to say it is. We've got the cardigan thing. That is very kind of intricate. We've got the bag and the cushion. We've got the kitty cat with a Halloweeny hat. Everything that was on the front cover. We've got this bag, and we've got a cardigan with the biggest arms that I've had the misfortune to see. We've got a Boo hat and a scarf. Subscribe and get the jewel spun, which is a good deal. The deal I got was awful. I got the worst yarn in the world. I got this Yarn Smith's DK, which I'm just going to give it away. It was horrible. Sorry. In my opinion, it's horrible. Ghost with the most. So that might be in here, but it didn't look like they had any pictures of it. We'll see when we get in, won't we? And we've got these editorials. We've got skills and events around the country. 1st to the 2nd of November, Stitch Fest Southwest, which is in Newton Abbot, in the race course. We've got the 8th of November, Make Joy. I didn't tell you that other one was £12. This is £8. At Woolwich Works in London, so not that far from me, I guess. 8th to the 9th of November, Yorkshire Farm Festival from £6 at Sandburn Hall. And the 13th to the 16th of November, £10 knit and stitch show, from the Icon, EIKON Exhibition Centre in Lisbon. Well, I don't think they mean the Lisbon. Must be just a place called Lisbon. So this is the yarn that I was considering getting, you know. This is the Horizon Chunky, the gradient yarn. I do like that, and it's possible you can see that very soon in my shop. hobbyrocks.co.uk if you haven't found it already. So, yeah, we've got a few more little editorial bits to read. They've also got a yarn called Moorland. It's a new range of Starcraft, dreaming of rolling dark, brooding skies, a hint of the mist, Pete and Heather. And you can get all that in a ball of yarn. It's really quite amazing, isn't it? I can't see if it's got any wool in that, doesn't say. Oh no, it's premium acrylic. Oh, I might have to check that out as well. At the same time I'm getting this one, I just need to save my pennies. Bear with me a sec. Sorry about that, guys. Pride of Place. William Morris designed tapestries that translate wonderfully to crochet. Replicate his timeless attention to detail with a beautiful hanging of your own. Wall hanging. Key ring, which a birdie stealing a strawberry. These are what are going to be in the magazine. They like to. I don't like their thumbnails, but they do nice big pictures of them. It's very difficult to see in thumbnails, I think. Chintz is in, and it's on our hooks. Lose yourself in the intricacies of this lovely colourwork vase, which pays homage to Morris's famous Strawberry Thief pattern. Ah, now we know why there's Strawberry Thief in here. So this is the William Morris collection. They've gone heavily on this, haven't they? These are the flowers. It's called Let It Grow. Flowers were an integral motif to Morris, as seen on the elegant tote. He resisted the mass production of the 19th century and championed abundant natural beauty. And there's more. So we've got the cushion, we've got the throw, and obviously all of those patterns are over these pages. So, and there's lots of pages. This is the Geometric Gem. Check out this quirky casual cardi by Chloe Elizabeth Birch. So yes, I've called it a cardigan. Thank goodness for that. So, it's all the things that don't suit me, I have to say. I couldn't stand the ties. The arms are a bit too baggy. The body's not long enough. The sleeves are too long. So, if I redesigned it, it'd be fine. But actually looking at it, I kind of like the patterning. You know me, I always say I don't like row after row of the same boring stitch. Well, here we've got colour work making that a little bit okay. So that goes up to a 3XL, that one, from an extra small. Right, so we've got Familiar Face. The other one's an advert, the other side. Lisa Paddock's vampire is more delightful than frightful, with his smart cloak and bashful blush and no teeth. Give you maybe a nasty suck instead, perhaps. So, get a Sirdar scarf kit and hooks when you subscribe. So you'll get these bamboo hooks by Sirdar. Can't comment on what they're like. But the jewel spun, I do stock that in my shop. I have a bit of jewel spun. Do I have jewel spun? Or something very similar? I can't remember now. There's so much yarn out there, you know. Oh, so Circular, I do have a few of their kits. And that one looks to me as if it's made with a really nice fleecy yarn. I was looking at some more the other day. This is called High Spirits. Boring headwear? Boo to that. Natalie Beards must have Halloween accessory. Just screams style. So, yeah, looks knitted, that. Obviously it can't be. It's in a crochet magazine, but if you look at it, it must be just made with slip stitching. Must be, surely, yeah. I think it... yeah, slip stitches. Okay, more adverts. Bit by Bit. Oh, I like this. This does look like kind of, I would say, retro games, even before retro games. You know, like Space Invaders, you know. It's the way they're kind of all pixeled. I like that. This is Jordana Ademska Halsen. Easy Pixel Scarf is a retro gem. Do like that. Obviously a lot of working in black. A lot of people don't like black. But if you're going to make spooky Halloween stuff, some black must come into it eventually. This is Haybarker's Cheeky Cat Cushion. Is sure to get a giggle or two from your guests. And it's double-sided. Oh, look, his tail. That's quite cute. I like that. And then we've got this Sweet Shopper Zoe Pottrax pastel handbag. Uses mitered squares to excellent effect. It's just the same shape as all the other bags. In fact, I've got one of those on my YouTube. So this is another cardigan. It's the one with the it's another one with very, very baggy sleeves and no buttons or anything. It's more of a kind of jacket. They've called it a snug and slouchy cardi with flared sleeves. Not steves. I don't know where he come into it. Sleeves. And it's by Ella Birch. And yeah, personally, the sleeves. I can't do the steves. No, this one does go up to a 5XL. Because there's no shaping, as you can see, the only bit of shaping is going to be that neckline. I should have said little shaping, shouldn't I really? Now, I just noticed the postman go down, so I might be getting a postie very soon. This is Florencia Campos Korea Squishy Sloth. I wish they'd stop with all this alliteration, you know. It plays havoc with my dentures. Oh, sorry, I don't have dentures. I don't want you to run away with the idea. I don't. It'd be on the floor if I did, saying all this. Florencia Campos Korea, that's her name. Squishy Sloth. Functions as a cushion and a cuddly toy. Made with soft chenille. And there he is. If you like your boxy sloth, that's for you. 90 years strong. This is the yarn stravaganza. We'll move on. Win 90 balls of yarn. £650 worth of prizes. I don't know how you do it. It's kind of have to read. It's at gathered.com. They always try and get you, don't they? Because they want you to subscribe and buy. Quilt difference. I like that, actually. It's just, you know, stripy diagonal grannies. They're nice. But the colours kind of give it some oomph. I like that. That's nice. Homestyle Christmas, another magazine. Puppy Love. This is the one on the cover. So this is the pattern for him. What we got on point here? This is showing us how to make triangle stitch. The triangle stitch and a yarn review at the same time. What have we got then? Sheepy's Little Darling. Hey Mama Wolf Scardy. Whoa. £2.60 Little Darling for a 50-gram ball. That's not too bad. The Mama Wolf Scardy or Skady. I want to say Scardy. It's 100 grams and it's £14.50. For the love of stripes, I stocked that in my shop. It's I don't think mine's £5.30. But that is a chunky yarn and by Stylecraft. It's lovely. We've got Woven Beyond Crimp. That is Merino and Himalayan Nettle. Lotus Boucle, £12 for a 50-gram ball. Red Heart Super Savers made an appearance. I can get that in my shop if I want to, but, you know, I try not to stock everything. I can't afford to stock everything. So we've got, this is Aran, and it's $6.99. We've got Rowan Kid Classic, always expensive. 50-gram balls, well, nearly a tenner. It's $9.75. Bonus digital gift, crochet blanket. So you can get on, again, you've got to go to Gathered. Yeah, so they try and get you, they do. This is the Show Us Your page, where you send in your delightful doings. Sounds good, doesn't it? And then we've got the how to doy bits, always there, present. Sugar Spun, oh my goodness, I made a cowl very similar to that. I can't believe that, I actually did. I've actually got that in the Yarn Van. Crochet Essentials pages with all the how to doy bits and the conversions, and now we've got the charts for this intricate kind of stuff that we've got. So if you want to turn it into something else, like a cushion or something, you can. Next issue, we've got a kind of a wonky granny jumper. Yeah, not symmetrical, but it's jarring my head a bit, but it's different. lovely latte. You can actually crochet a coffee. Winter cushions and cozy reindeer onesie. Or you're going to crochet a onesie or just embellish it. Probably just embellish. Cable blanket, wrap top, snowy earrings, cowl, baby jacket and more. Extra just for you. Exclusive calendar 12 months monsters to hook. So if that is a calendar, I'll be glad because I haven't got one yet. And that's it. That's the magazine, guys. What do you think? Are you impressed? Are you impressed with the little super cute puppy kit? I would be more impressed if they actually put the stuff in like they used to in magazines. Used to get enough stuff in to actually make this, but now you've got to go find your own stuff in, whether that be yarn or actually buy in fibre fill, which I've got quite a bit of and I've not made the thing I wanted to make yet. Yeah, I'm just dragging my heels over that one. Me and kind of amigurumis. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the description box, not the description box, in the comment section. I always call it that. I always get it mixed up. Let me know what you think. Whether you like this magazine, whether you don't like it, the things that you would make, if anything. And I mean, they've actually gone all out for some difficult stuff this time around as well. We've got the Halloweeny bits. I like this, I actually do. It's simple, but it's quite effective. Okay, I just made it in time before the postman knocks to pick up some parcels from me. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye for now.